In this video, I will show you how to dual axis in Tableau. First, log into your Tableau account. Go to the left side of your screen and locate Sum Sales. Click and hold it, then drag it to the rows bar. Then, do the same for Order Date. Click and hold it, then drag it to the columns bar. Next, click on Order Date to bring down the drop-down menu, and click on Month, so your data will be grouped by months. Now, go back to the left side of your screen and locate Sum Profit. Click, hold, and drag it to the rows bar as well. Then, click on Sum Profit again to bring out the drop-down menu, and this time, click on Dual Axis. You will see that your graph will now combine both sales and profit into one chart, allowing you to easily compare the two measures side by side. And that's how to dual axis in Tableau.